Purification was what brought Mr. Spangler to invent the first vacuum cleaner. He was asthmatic and needed cleaner air. It's the same today. We all need a healthier place to live, right now. That's the Hoover mission. To invent products that deeply clean and perfectly sanitize. Solutions to cook and preserve food in the healthiest way and significantly improve the air quality. Connected products to enhance performance and efficiency, while granting a healthier home environment for you all to feel good.